Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the transformative power of affirmations to manifest abundance in every aspect of your life. Today's mantra, inspired by the wisdom of Eric Butterworth, is a trio of empowering phrases. I accept. I deserve. I allow. These simple yet profound words serve as the key to effortlessly attracting financial prosperity into your reality. I accept opens your heart and mind to gracefully receive the boundless blessings that the universe offers. I deserve affirms your inherent worthiness to experience abundance in all its forms. I allow encourages you to release resistance and welcome abundance with effortless ease. Repeat these affirmations daily to rewire your subconscious mind for success. As you chant these words, envision a steady stream of abundance flowing effortlessly towards you. Embrace a mindset of abundance, and observe as opportunities effortlessly align in your favor. Trust in the power of these affirmations to revolutionize your relationship with money. Let go of any limiting beliefs that may hinder the flow of prosperity into your life. Surrender to the process and believe wholeheartedly in the infinite abundance of the universe. As you speak these words with conviction, feel the energy of abundance permeate every fiber of your being. Remember, you are inherently deserving of all the wealth and abundance that the universe has to offer. Embrace these affirmations as your truth, and witness how the universe conspires to fulfill your deepest desires. I accept. I deserve. I allow. Let these words become your daily mantra for effortlessly attracting wealth. Allow the energy of these affirmations to radiate outward and draw prosperity back to you. Trust in the process, and remain open to receiving the abundance that is rightfully yours. Visualize your financial goals manifesting with grace and ease as you repeat these powerful affirmations. Notice how your thoughts and beliefs around money begin to shift in alignment with your desires. Embrace a mindset of abundance, and watch as money flows effortlessly into your life. Repetition is key to reinforcing your belief in the abundance of the universe. Manifest a life of financial freedom by embodying the energy of acceptance, worthiness, and allowance. Remember, you possess the power to attract wealth and abundance simply by affirming your deservingness. Trust in the process, and watch as your financial reality transforms before your eyes. I accept. I deserve. I allow. Repeat these words daily, and witness how the universe responds to your newfound belief in abundance. Embark on your journey to financial freedom today by embracing these empowering affirmations. Release any doubts and fears as you step into a reality where money flows effortlessly into your life. Trust in the power of these words to shape your financial reality and attract wealth beyond your wildest dreams. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on manifesting abundance in your life. Your support helps us reach more people on their journey to prosperity. Thank you for joining us on this transformative path.